Hi, my name is Anuj Gupta, a strategic wealth consultant from Tag Investments. Today we want to talk about how much do you need to retire. So we're building a retirement series on YouTube. We've made several videos earlier also on retirement, and we'll continue to make more videos on retirement as to how much you require to retire, where do you invest to build a retirement corpus, how much you need to invest to build a good sizable retirement corpus, so on and so forth. So in case if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe our channel. It's a red button on the right or left side of your screen. Do hit that and also hit the bell icon to keep receiving notifications. Thank you so much. Well, moving on to the topic, how much do you need to save for retirement? So how much will you need to retire? Well, this presentation is for information purpose only, and we do not guarantee or we do not advise you anything related to retirement as to how much you need to save and where do you need to save. This is purely informational and our views only. Thank you so much. So experts say retirement planning should start from the day you start earning. Many of us, when we talk to millennials, they say that we are too young to start thinking about retirement solutions and to plan retirement. But it is always advisable, and it is always said that you should start retirement planning from the day you start earning. So all those who have an income should watch this video. Well, most of the presentation is taken from the Times of India article. It read that 9 easy questions which will help you calculate amount you need to build for retirement. So we're just trying to reiterate what the Times of India published here. So the first question: when do you want to retire? So you can take a screenshot of this, or you can pause the video probably and just take a screenshot and then write your own numbers. So probably a good exercise would be keep a calculator handy and keep a pen and paper handy, and then you can do the maths as we move ahead in this video. So the first question is, what's your current age? You can write here. What age do you want to retire? You can write here, and how many years left. So supposedly if you are 40 years and you want to retire at the age of 55, so the years left is 15. So that's the first step. Second step: how much do you spend now? So your monthly expenses, supposedly. So again, you can take a screenshot or just pause this video here and write your numbers, and you'll get the answer at the end of the video in terms of how much do you need to save for retirement. So in this example, we have taken a 50,000 rupees monthly expenditure and plus a one-time expense of 50,000, maybe paying some lump sum payments or for your car repairs or insurances, so on and so forth. So a total expense of 6.5 lakhs. In your case, it can be say monthly expense of 1 lakh rupees, some one-time expense where you need to travel or you need to pay off something, or you have some yearly expenditures which are fixed. So you can put your numbers here. So suppose it's 1 lakh, so 1 lakh into 12 lakhs plus you say I have a yearly expenses or one-time expense of 2 lakhs, so 12 plus 2, 14. So the total annual expense will be 14 for in that case. So that's the second thing. Keep looking at this A, B, C also, because this will help us in the later calculation. So the first, just write your answer against A here. Second, B. We also need to include the inflation factor. So supposedly, if your whatever is your retirement age, which you have written in the first part. So what is this? Is the closest number of years? Supposedly there's only 10 years left for your retirement, 20 years left for your retirement, or 30 years left for retirement. Accordingly, pick that inflation factor and name it as B. Tag it as B. So B is equal to 3.39 in this case, because for this person who we have assumed, we're talking about he's 23 years left for retiring. So we've taken the nearest factor, which is 25. So 3.39. C. How much will your spending grow by the time you retire? So that is basically, if we go back, this number into this number. So that is C for you. So 6.5 lakhs into 3.39. So this person's expenditure will grow to 22 lakh rupees by the time he retires per month. The next thing is that where do you see yourself here? So you see yourself expecting higher expenses on travel, health, and entertainment as you grow. When you retire, you see, okay, fine, I expect a higher expenses on travel and health and lower on entertainment. I'll cut down on my entertainment cost, but I'll travel more often and I'll also need corpus for my health conditions. Or you say that I expect the same expenses as as today, as present. So then in the next set, you need to choose the 0% figure. In the next example, what we have chosen is the 2%, where we feel that our expenses will be higher on travel and health, but low on entertainment. So the D answer would be in this case, so 20 years left for retirement, and I've chosen 2%, so that is 17.23. So just again put that against D if you've taken a pen and paper. Now, will you be repaying any loans after you retire? So if it is relevant to you, you go to the next. If it isn't, then any which ways this is not for you. So if the answer is yes, then you should write down how much, what is the loan numbers, how many years left, and how many EMIs, and what is the total outstanding. So write that against E. So if supposedly you have 10 years left to repay the loan, and there are EMIs of 50,000. So what will be the answer? 50,000 into 12, which is 6 lakhs, into 10, 60 lakh rupees. Correct? So do you have adequate health insurance? So if the answer is yes, you can skip this. If the answer is no, then probably add 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. We generally advise minimum 10 lakhs, ideally 25 lakhs. So against F, you can add 10 lakhs in case if you do not have adequate health insurance, or if you do not have independent retail health insurance other than your corporate, in case if you are into service. Then the next thing is, will any of your goals extend into retirement? So I'm sure you would have attended many of our financial planning lessons. In case you haven't, do subscribe our channel right away, so that at least you get notified of whenever we release our financial planning series or whatever. If you subscribe our channel, you can also look at the financial planning series which we have already released, and we also come up with new financial planning series as and when relevant. So in case you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel right away. It's a small red icon on your left side or right side of the screen. Please click it, and also click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we release a video. So any of your goals which can extend to retirement, something like a child marriage can be extended during your retirement age, in case you got married later, or you had children in your later years of life. So generally when we retire, we get our children married. So supposedly you can write your number here, and you can write your goal, whichever goal we've taken. For example, it's a child marriage. So in case if you resonate with that, so probably write your child's name and say child's marriage, and put a cost. So I put 5 lakh rupees, but you can put 50 lakhs, 1 crore, 2 crores, whatever you feel is the future cost. Then will you have any regular income after retirement? So there can be that you already have enrolled in some insurance based retirement plans. You already have some rentals coming in, which you treat as a regular income even after retirement. So if the answer is yes, go to the next set and write those numbers, that what are those monthly pensions which you will be receiving, and mark it as H there. And here is the formula. So I'm sure you were noting it down. In case if you did not note it down, please go back to the video, pause the videos, do your maths, and write against these numbers, and you'll get the answer. So C was 22 lakh rupees for us, D was 17.23 for us, E was 6 lakhs, F was 10 lakhs, G was 5 lakhs, H was now how did this calculation come up is, whatever the H value was, which is 15,000 rupees, we multiplied into 12, and we said how many years we have to live after retirement. So in case if you're getting retired at the age of 60 and you feel that you're going to live for 20 years, so multiply it by 20. And we've also assumed a 5% annual growth in the house rent case. So this is how we come across this retirement corpus which we need at the time of retirement. So I hope this video helped. We are also coming up with new series in terms of we also tell you another formula as to how much you need to save for your retirement, and where you need to save, and how much you need to save, and what is the amount per month or per annum which you need to save to create this much corpus. So in case you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do hit the subscribe button. It's a red button on the left or right side of your screen. And also click the bell icon so that you get notified each time whenever we release a new video. We are coming up with a lot of informational videos related to retirement, related to child education, marriage plans, financial plans. Also, we'll be coming up with videos related to stocks, tradings, mutual funds, also related to Medicliam, health insurances, term plans, life insurance. So it's a complete 360-degree financial services package which we'll be giving you through these video series. So In case if you resonate and if you have interest in any of this topic, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for the watch, and I hope we answered all your questions related to how much you require towards creating a retirement corpus, or how much do you need to build towards your retirement kitty. So I'm sure you'll have questions, and that is where you can leave a comment behind. You can schedule a call with us. We generally leave a Calendly link in the description box where you can schedule a 15 to 20 minutes non-obligatory call with our wealth experts, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much once again, and have a good day and a wonderful year ahead.